Okay, calm.
Lantern here. Yes.
Good.
Good boy. Okay.
Lantern here.
Yes.
Release.
Okay.
Now, because he's going back to mom, you call him again.
Lantern here.
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Okay.
Lantern here.
Yes. Good. And if you like the speed that he's giving you, pay him extra. Like you're grading him. If you run really fast, here's $100.
He might win. Lantern here.
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Okay.
Lantern here. Yes. Okay.
Lantern here.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Here. Yes.
Keep going. Yep. So that was a good one.